Good morning, Tom here at our pastime. It's been a little while since I've started the Cub, since plowed snow with it actually. And here it is mid-May already. I'm going to see if it will start. I have the battery all hooked up. Got the new wheel weights on the front, which I showed in the last video. And let's turn on the gas. Battery's hooked up. Let's see what we got. Oh yeah, it's in neutral. Let's see what happens. Let's try it without the choke. That was pretty good. There's a little choke. Choke. It's promising though. Here we go. Might have the might be low on hydraulic fluid. Check that. I noticed it was a little wet right there. That's the fill. I think we'll shut her down and put some hydraulic fluid in it. Yeah, I think it's low on hydraulic fluid. That didn't sound right. Let's shut off the gas. Alright. Alright. Just need to loosen this. And it should be just dripping out. And it's not dripping out. Stick my finger in. I can't feel any, dry, other than the little bit of residue on the internal cylinder there. It's out of fluid. Let's put some fluid in it. I will be using NAPA tractor hydraulic and transmission fluid. 8572, 472 is the number. Got this right at NAPA. They said this is what you use. So I haven't had any trouble using that. So in order to go from that container to a horizontal plug or vertical, in order to go from there to this position, I don't have a funnel that would do that. I transferred some hydraulic fluid into a container We'll call it marinara pasta sauce for now. And I will be using an electronic fuel transfer. I usually use this for gas, but I've used it in the past for hydraulic fluid for my John Deere tractor, and that seemed to work fine. This says it's about 23 ounces, and we'll see how it goes. In anticipation of making a mess, I've got some paper towels and a mat on the driveway, and let's see what happens. It's hard to do one-handed and hold the camera. Alright, so I rigged something up so I could do this a little easier while filming, holding the camera and pouring at the same time. Oh, it took that whole jar. So I guess the level is down a bit. So we need to add some more. Can't imagine it'll take 2 jars. There, I can see it's just starting to drip out now. There, she's full. Just a little bit of a mess. Not too bad. I'll put the... Alright, there we go. sure it's tight. There, that's tight. There, now I'm just going to clean up my mess, then I'll start it up and see if we got rid of that squeak noise. Alright, let's see how it sounds now. Turn on the gas. Turn in the half. Full neutral. Wants a little choke. Still wants a little choke, I guess. No choke. Nope, he wants a little choke. Well, the squeak sure is gone. That high-pitched squeal that we heard, the squeal that we heard earlier is certainly gone. Sounds a lot better. No choke. Touchy touch control. Alright, back in business. Back in business. Alright. Well, I thank you for watching today. that was a short little video getting the Cub started after many months of not starting. Found an issue right off with low hydraulic fluid, or no hydraulic fluid, I guess. It took about 40 ounces of fluid, I think. So that's just a rough estimate based on the size of the jar I used. So the tractor's ready to go for the season. I might do an oil change. I'm not sure if I'm going to show that or not, but I might. Next video coming out will be changing the plow from the front plow to the mid-mount plow. And I'll make sure to show all the different angles so you can see clearly how to switch that around. It's pretty easy. If you have the front plow set up, you actually have a grader plow too. It's really quite a nice little unit to use as a grader, and it does a really nice job. If you look back on some of my videos from last year, you'll see how I used it to smooth out part of my lawn out back, and I'll be using it again to move some more dirt coming up as soon as the weather gets a little better. So stick around, and thank you again for watching. Please like, subscribe, leave a comment, give me a thumbs up, and we'll see you again real soon with the Cub in action. Thanks. Tom here at our pastime, and I appreciate you watching. Bye bye.